Number 1.
1998 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,999. It has 117,000 miles and is powered by a 5.7-liter Vortec gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a green exterior with a beige interior and comes with a clean title. It is reported to be in excellent overall condition, with no known mechanical issues, making it a solid choice for someone looking for a dependable full-size pickup. The truck has also received several desirable upgrades and recent improvements. It sits on brand new tires and wheels and is equipped with Bilstein shocks, giving it a fresh, confident stance and improved ride quality. The registration is current through 2027, and the smog certification is already in hand. The 4WD system adds versatility for different driving conditions, while the extended cab provides additional interior space and practicality. The air conditioning blows ice cold and is described as performing exceptionally well. Overall, this Chevrolet 2500 is presented as a clean and dependable truck with strong 5.7-liter Vortec power, 4WD capability, fresh tires and wheels, upgraded shocks, current registration, and no reported mechanical problems or hidden surprises.
Number 2.
1988 Chevrolet S10, price $7,000. Finished in white with a tan interior and powered by gasoline. It has only 10,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it features a 350 Vortec V8 engine with approximately 10,000 miles, paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission. The truck is not a dually, making it an especially interesting and uncommon S10 for enthusiasts and collectors. The truck also features a 3.08 mini-spool rear end and a completely refreshed front suspension, including new A-arms. Recent maintenance includes a professional alignment, fresh oil change, and a new mini torque starter. These updates complement the strong V8 power and help provide a solid and enjoyable driving experience. With its low mileage, rare configuration, upgraded suspension, and excellent running and driving condition.
Number 3.
1999 Ford F-150, price $10,000. The truck is a well-preserved, rust-free that has been garage-kept and carefully maintained. It has only 46,000 miles and features a red exterior with a clean gray interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a gasoline 4.2-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, giving it a straightforward and enjoyable driving experience. The truck runs and drives great and remains clean both inside and out. It is also equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, making it comfortable to drive in warm weather, along with a bedliner for added practicality and an audio/radio system for entertainment on the road. The combination of its exceptionally low mileage, rust-free condition, garage-kept history, and solid mechanical performance makes this truck a desirable and well-maintained example of a classic generation pickup.
Number 4.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,800. The truck is a blue extended cab 4x4 with a blue interior, gasoline power, an automatic transmission, and 298,000 miles currently showing on the odometer. It is powered by a 5.7L V8 and is equipped with power steering, power brakes, power windows, and power locks. The truck has received a completely new AC system, and it is mechanically very good, with all major systems and electrical components working properly. The 4x4 system also operates as it should, making it a dependable choice for everyday driving or work. The exterior has some scratches and paint chips but no body damage, while some surface rust is beginning around the cab corners.
The frame remains rust-free. Inside, the blue interior is in nice overall condition, with only one damaged spot on the seat and some cracks in the dashboard.
Despite its high mileage, the Chevrolet 1500 still has plenty of eye appeal and presents itself as a solid, functional 4x4 truck. It comes with a clear, clean Tennessee title and would make a great everyday driver or dependable work truck.
Number 5.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. Featuring a clean white exterior offset by a comfortable gray cloth interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 5.7-liter 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, showing 334,000 miles on the odometer. Built for both daily driving and practical work, the truck comes equipped with power steering, cruise control, and a functional heating and air conditioning system to keep the cabin comfortable in any weather. Inside, the driver and passengers will find a mix of classic utility and convenient features, including power windows, manual door locks, and an original-style AM/FM stereo with a cassette player. Designed with work efficiency in mind, the exterior bed area is fully protected by a durable bedliner and includes a sturdy toolbox for organized storage and quick access to essential gear.
Number 6.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,990. The truck is a classic gasoline-powered pickup truck presented in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. Equipped with an automatic transmission and showing 103,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle is in surprisingly nice condition for its age, featuring minimal cap corner rust. The truck comes with a solid list of recent upgrades and maintenance work. Under the hood, it has been refreshed with new spark plugs, a new distributor cap, and a replacement exhaust manifold, while the air conditioning system remains fully operational to keep the cabin cold. On the outside, it features freshly tinted front windows, clean window trim, new tires, as well as new beauty rings and center wheel caps for a polished look. Inside, the cabin is upgraded with a modern Sony stereo system paired with new speakers installed throughout.
Number 7.
2004 Ford F-150, price $6,995, finished in a sleek silver exterior paint that is complemented by a well-kept gray interior. Under the hood, this vehicle is powered by a reliable 4.2-liter V6 gasoline engine mated to an engaging 5-speed manual transmission. With 124,000 miles logged on the odometer, this truck has been thoughtfully maintained and remains in outstanding condition inside and out. The practical extended cab configuration provides extra interior room behind the front seats. Inside the cabin, drivers will find a clean, comfortable, and functional environment equipped with an audio system to make every journey more enjoyable. This F-150 stands out as a versatile choice for daily driving, recreational trips, or light work duties.
Number 8.
2002 Ford F-150, price $3,995, presented in an attractive blue exterior paired with a comfortable gray interior. Powered by a potent engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this vehicle shows 178,000 miles on the odometer and runs flawlessly. With both the engine and transmission in excellent condition and displaying no mechanical issues, the truck comes richly appointed with a range of convenient interior amenities, including power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, cruise control,
and a power sunroof.
The climate control system functions exceptionally well, offering a strong heater alongside an air conditioning unit that blows ice-cold air immediately upon startup. Complete with a clean title, fully passed safety and emissions inspections, and a 30-day temporary registration tag, this dependable F-150 is completely turnkey and ready for its next owner to drive with full confidence.
Number 9.
2004 Chevrolet Silverado, price $3,400, featuring a classic white exterior paired with a practical gray interior. Powered by a dependable V8 engine paired with a rebuilt automatic transmission, this truck has logged 200,000 miles and continues to run and drive exceptionally well. The cabin offers extra cab space for added storage and versatility, making it ideal for daily tasks or job site duties. While it was involved in a minor fender bender years ago, resulting in a replaced front passenger side fender, the cosmetic fix does not affect its handling or overall driving performance in any way. Backed by a solid title, this Silverado stands as a strong, capable vehicle ready to get back to work.
Number 10.
1998 Ford F-150, price $2,800, featuring a classic blue exterior paired with a practical gray interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a smooth 4.6-liter V8 engine mated to a dependable automatic transmission, delivering a solid and comfortable driving experience across its 206,000 logged miles. Maintained meticulously with a strict history of timely routine servicing, this truck operates with absolute efficiency and exhibits zero mechanical issues. The vehicle comes equipped with everyday interior conveniences such as power windows and power door locks.
The truck rides on a clean, solid set of tires and boasts a proven history of exceptional dependability on the road.
This well-cared-for F-150 represents an ideal turnkey workhorse ready for its next owner.